Learn English. Let's play a word game. Today is December 15th, 2022. Today, verb game. 10 questions. It will start easy and then get more difficult. We're using the Svano vocabulary 8000. Our vocabulary school is now open. We're teaching 3 courses. Please see our website. Number 1, I up and I down every day. This is with your eyes. If you need more time, you can stop the show when I raise the card. Look. I look up and I look down. Every day. We also use it like this. Jennifer looks happy. This means she seems happy by her appearance. Number 2. Bob will it tomorrow. This is when you get something from the internet or a website. You're moving a file from a website to your computer. Download. Bob will download it tomorrow. To download something from the internet or from a website. Number 3. Jennifer emailed you. Why didn't you? This means to answer. Reply. Why didn't you reply? Equals, why didn't you reply to her? The basic form is to reply to somebody or something. Bob wants to in movies and on television. What do the people in movies do? Act. He wants to act in movies and on television. Number 5. This book is frightening. Me. It scares me. This is the verb where we get the other adjective, scary and scared. Basic form, to scare somebody and to scare somebody by doing something. Number 6. Bob will tomorrow. This means he will say that he is sorry. Apologize. Bob will apologize tomorrow. And we have a bonus question for 1 extra point. What's the noun? He will make an apology. And the basic form, to apologize to somebody for making a mistake. Do you think the voters will this president again? This means to choose a candidate or a person by voting. Elect. Do you think the voters will elect this president again? This is related to the noun election. If there is a problem, the store will the money to you. This means if you buy something for $10 and then there's a problem with it and you take it back to the store, they will give you the money back. Refund. The store will refund the money to you. To refund some money to a customer. Number 9. After a long battle, one side finally. This means they admitted defeat. They gave up and they said, "You are the winner." Surrendered. After a long battle, one side finally surrendered. To surrender to somebody or something. Number 10, the last one. We're trying to. The other team. This means to scare or threaten somebody, especially in order to get them to do something that you want them to do. Intimidate. We're trying to intimidate the other team, especially in sports, professional sports. In our program, we also have intimidation, the noun, and intimidated, adjective. In today's game, word number 1, look. 3, reply. 4, act. 5, scare. And number 8, refund, are all also nouns in our program. Game over. Did you have fun? Fantastic. What's your score? What city do you live in? What do you learn at school? Did you download anything before? What was it? When your parents speak to you, do you reply to them? Do you want to act in a movie one day? Whoa, very good. You're doing very well today. It's time to go. My name is Vinny. Bye-bye, everybody.